Welcome back to Autoscope, and today we're diving into something truly unexpected, something that blends pure British luxury with the freedom of the open road. Imagine the elegance and performance heritage of Aston Martin transformed into a fully functional motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. This is the all-new 2026 Aston Martin Motor Home, a concept that redefines what it means to travel in style. At first glance, this motorhome doesn't look like your typical bulky RV. Instead, it carries the unmistakable DNA of Aston Martin's design language. The front fascia is sleek and aggressive, featuring a signature grille that immediately reminds you of their iconic sports cars. Slim LED headlights stretch sharply across the front, giving it a futuristic and commanding presence. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, ensuring that even a large vehicle like this maintains a sporty, high-end appeal. As you walk around it, you'll notice the seamless integration of carbon fiber elements and polished aluminum accents. The paint finish is deep, glossy, and available in exclusive shades that Aston Martin is known for. Every inch of this motorhome screams luxury, from the flush door handles to the panoramic glass panels that wrap around the cabin. Step inside, and this is where things get truly next level. The interior feels less like a camper and more like a 5-star luxury suite on wheels. Premium leather covers almost every surface, stitched with precision and attention to detail. The seating is inspired by Aston Martin's Grand Tourers, offering both comfort and support whether you're driving or relaxing. The living area is spacious and intelligently designed. There's a modular lounge that can transform into a sleeping space within seconds. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, adjustable to match your mood, whether you're on a long road trip or parked under the stars. A massive infotainment display sits at the center, powered by cutting-edge software, offering navigation, entertainment, and full control over the vehicle's features. The kitchen area is compact but incredibly refined. You get high-end appliances, a sleek induction cooktop, and hidden storage compartments that maintain the clean aesthetic. Even the smallest details, like the brushed metal finishes and soft close cabinets, reflect Aston Martin's commitment to perfection. Moving toward the rear, the master sleeping area offers a surprisingly large bed with memory foam cushioning, surrounded by soft lighting and panoramic windows. Imagine waking up to a breathtaking view while still wrapped in the comfort of a luxury suite. There's also a fully equipped bathroom with a modern shower system, premium fixtures, and smart water management technology. Now let's talk performance, because this is still an Aston Martin at heart. Under the hood, the 2026 Aston Martin Motor Home is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain that balances power and efficiency. You get smooth acceleration, impressive torque, and a driving experience that feels far more refined than any traditional RV. Advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth ride even on rough terrains, while intelligent driving aids make handling such a large vehicle surprisingly easy. Technology plays a huge role here. The motorhome is equipped with autonomous driving capabilities, allowing for semi-self-driving on highways. There's also a smart control system that lets you manage everything from climate to lighting directly from your smartphone. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide additional energy support, making it perfect for long off-grid adventures. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With multiple cameras, sensors, and driver assistance features, this motorhome ensures peace of mind whether you're navigating city streets or exploring remote landscapes. What truly sets this vehicle apart is its ability to merge two worlds. On one hand, you have the thrill and prestige associated with Aston Martin, and on the other, the practicality and freedom of a motorhome. It's designed for those who don't want to compromise, those who want to travel without giving up luxury, performance, or style. Of course, exclusivity is a big part of the package. This isn't something you'll see on every road. Production is expected to be limited, making it a rare and highly desirable machine for enthusiasts and luxury travelers alike. So, what do you think about this bold move from Aston Martin? Is this the future of luxury travel, or is it just a concept meant to push boundaries? One thing is certain, the 2026 Aston Martin Motor Home is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a statement, and a glimpse into what the future of road trips could look like. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Autoscope for more insane automotive content just like this. Stay tuned, because the future of cars is getting more exciting every single day.